Hey, you've reached the StroudLoud Studios. They call me Dr. Humboldt, and this week I've just been kicking back and chilling, watching my plants get big. They're going to be ready for that transplant day. How about we go take a peek at them to the new tune from StroudLoud? The journey has started.
Once the sprouts turn into little plants, all you can do is sit back and watch them dance, growing bigger and stronger every day. The cannabis plant just looks at it as play. They're on a mission to find the light, and you're there to help in the fight. Water them slow, let them grow. Your cannabis will be the show. From seedlings to small plants, the girls continue to enhance. Growing your own gives you peace, like the comfort of a fine fleece. Time to get your seeds and learn to grow. Peace you will find indeed as you look to sow. The days go by fast while the growth continues to last. Leaves are getting bigger while the nodes increase with vigor. Soon they will go outside and become the trees that you will hide. Water them slow, let them grow. Your cannabis will be the show. From seedlings to small plants, the girls continue to enhance. Growing your own gives you peace, like the comfort of a fine fleece. Time to get your seeds and learn to grow. Peace you will find indeed as you look to sow. Harvest time will soon come, giving us the bud that makes us temperate dumb. The sweet sticky smell will fill your yard as you watch and start to take part. Ganja flowers give us the power to create and empower.
Alrighty, definitely would like to take this time to thank all of you out there who have been kind enough to subscribe to the channel, liking the videos, the comment. I mean, I tell you what, I feel the love. If you folks know anybody out there who might be interested in learning how to grow their own weed, I tell you, please turn them on this channel. Every little bit helps. And if you would like, maybe support the channel. If you're getting anything out of the videos, go to my website, StroudLoud.com. A number of ways that you can support the channel. Until next time.